morning, Web Spiders. It's Tuesday, January 9th, 2018. And I'm so glad you're back in the web. You can see I've got some first graders that are pretty excited to be on announcements. They're going to just hold tight there for just a second because I've got a few things I need to discuss with you. So I'm going to turn it this way because they're kind of antsy to get on that camera. Welcome back to Web. I hope you had a super break. I missed you guys so much. Your teachers missed you. It was exciting to come back to school today knowing that you were going to be here. But I do want to start with all the January birthdays that have happened since we went on break. Because if you remember, I did all December's before we left for break. So on January 3rd, Landon McClish from Mrs. Williams' class had a birthday. Happy birthday, Landon. Eric Tanner from Mrs. Rector's class had a birthday on the 4th. Aiden Taylor from Mrs. Bridges' class had a birthday on the 6th. And yesterday, Colton Hounshell from Miss Lizelle's class had a birthday, and Braden Lovins had a birthday yesterday. And I think that catches us up. That goes all the way to January 8th. We don't have any birthdays on January 9th. Let me check Mrs. Miller in our Cub Academy had a birthday on the 3rd. Mrs. Little from Cub Academy had a birthday on the 4th. Mrs. Taylor had a birthday on the 5th. My goodness, we had a lot of staff birthdays already in January too. So happy birthday to all of you. If I announced your January birthday, come see me today for a birthday backpack charm, and we will celebrate just a little bit together. Woo! Guess what? We have exciting things happening in PE this week. There's a company, and I can't remember the name of it, 913 something, 139 something, I don't know. But they're here. And they came with a van load of bicycles today.
Yeah, we saw them in the gym.
Yes. And so you guys are going to be riding bikes in gym class. Is that exciting?
Well, yeah. Well, we have to wear helmets.
Well, I'm sure they have everything you need. I'm sure they have everything you need. Now, here's the thing. Some of you already know how to ride a bike, and that's okay.
Yeah, I know how to ride bike.
But some of you don't know how to ride a bike. And so those who are experts might be able to help those who don't know how. But then hopefully all of our Web Spiders will know how to ride bikes before this is over. Isn't that fun?
Yeah.
So exciting new year, exciting new gym class. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah. Everybody in Web that can go to gym, they can ride a bike.
Right. They're going to learn to ride bikes. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
I love it. Okay. So I have friends from Mrs. Comerford's first grade class with me, and they do look a little older, but maybe it's because it's a new year. You think it's 2018?
Mm-hmm.
So you guys grew up over break a little bit, you think?
Yeah.
Let's start right here. Tell us who you are.
I'm Harrison from Mrs. Comfort's class. I'm Hudson Hobbs from Miss Comfort's class. I'm Julian Ott from Mrs. Comfort's class. I'm Henry Hobbs from Mrs. Comfort's class. I'm Molly McMillan from Mrs. Comfort's.
And if you guys noticed, look kind of alike? Yeah, they're triplets. Mrs. Comerford can tell them apart. I can sometimes. I always know Henry.
And Julianne.
Yeah. And then which one has the scar right here?
Hudson.
Hudson. So that's usually how I tell them apart. But, there you go. At this time, if you'll go ahead and stand and push your chair, and we're going to have a moment of silence. I have something in my throat. Would you hold that and let's do our pledge? Remember, it's this hand on your heart. Right hand. Yep, that one.
I
pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You guys did an awesome job. You didn't forget the pledge over break either, did you? Now, have you ever heard of a New Year's resolution?
No.
A New Year's resolution is something that's kind of a goal that you set when a new year starts. So I want you guys to be thinking about what kind of goal you can set for yourself here at Webb Elementary. Maybe it's to be a better friend. Maybe it's to only say kind words. Maybe it's to raise your hand before talking in class. Maybe it's to get more reading counts points. I mean, your goal could be anything that you want to improve in, that you want to be better at. That's a resolution. Sound kind of cool?
Yeah.
So it's just kind of historic that in America, especially, we set New Year's resolutions. So think about how good you are right now and how much better you would like to be in any area. And again, it could be in schoolwork. It could be in friendship. It could be in helping others. It could be in just being a better kid at home for your parents. But try to think about what you want to grow in and what you want to improve in and set a resolution or a goal for yourself for this year. You think you can do it? I noticed that Mrs. Clendenning made us a new bulletin board, and it says, shake it up in 2018. Shake it up, and it looks like a snow globe. And I think she did that because when we shake it up, instead of just doing the same thing every single day, we actually try to focus on something that we want to be better at. I think that's kind of cool. It's kind of like a new year, new start. Do something different and be a better you than you were before. Think you can be a better you? You guys are pretty awesome already. I think you can still be better yous. We can all get better every day, can't we? Yeah. Okay, you guys ready to do this creed?
Yeah.
Think you remember it?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. I am a member of the Webb family. I take pride in myself and my school. I promise to do these things every day. I will only say positive things about myself and others. I will respect and trust others. I will insist on giving my personal best. I will discuss and listen actively. I will expect and give truth and honesty. I am glad to do my part to make Webb School a place where everybody is somebody special. Make it a great day in the Webb, and make sure you are
doing it right.
Have a great day, Spiders.